Hello and welcome all of you. I am Professor Ganesh Shinde and today we will discuss or learn about the maturity science of fruits and vegetables. In the earlier lectures we were discuss about the maturity, different types of maturity and science or maturity indices of fruits and vegetables. In maturity indices of fruits and vegetable, there are 4 to 5 different maturity signs. In that, first one is a physical, then physiological, chemical, as well as visual and computational mean. This is the 5 different signs of maturity, and these signs of maturity is varies according to different fruits and vegetables. We all know when we get or we want a good quality of fruits and vegetable, that time it should be harvested at proper stage of maturity. If we earlier harvest than the maturity, that time it requires longer time for the ripening, and if greater than the maturity, if you harvest that fruit, that time it requires less time for the ripening, but it is a poor shelf life. Okay, today we will discuss about the maturity signs of fruits and vegetables. In that, first one is a mango. Normally mango fruits generally require 95 to 115 days to mature after the flowering. Their second maturity indices is a raising of shoulders and slightly depression near the stalk end, indicated that maturity of fruits and vegetables. Suppose if we take an example of Alfonso variety, that time the normally fruits, when you show in that image also, when the fruits are immature, that time the fruit is attached to the means stalk, that time this is the upper portion. Okay, and when at the time of maturity, raising of the shoulders means the shoulders will be raised. Okay, raising of the shoulders and slightly depression near the stalk means those portion who is attached to the fruit, these portion are slightly depressed. Other than this, color of the fruit changes from the green to the pale green color. Red blush develop on the fruit of the shoulders in some of the varieties. One or two or maximum three fruits are drop down naturally, is a signs of maturity of mango, and this signs of maturity is known as a tapka stage. It is important for your exam also. Tapka stage, the fruits with specific gravity between 1 to 1.02 are said to be an mature. For the harvesting of mango, BSK Kiwi Dapoli developed a Nutan mango harvester. Harvesting should be done by the hand as much as possible. The fruit is twisted sharply sidewise or upward. The pedicel is trimmed short enough to keep it from the puncturing to the other fruit. Then second one is a banana. In banana, there are the two types of varieties. First one is a dwarf varieties and second one is a tall varieties. For the dwarf bananas required for the harvest within 11 to 14 months after the planting, while tall varieties take 14 to 16 months for the harvest. Fruits usually mature in 120 to 140 days after flowering. The fruit bunch is harvested with the ridge on their surface changes from the angular to the round, means disappearance of angularity. When you see the image, that time when the fruit are the immature, that time these ages are the clearly identified. Okay, and this is the ages are the clearly identified. At the time of maturity the fruit become the roundish one, means the ages, this one the ages are the disappear and the fruit become roundish at the time of maturity. Other than this, the dried part of flowers at the top of the fruit drop down easily, means this one, this black portion, these dried portion are the drop down easily. The topmost leaves start drying as the bunch mature and the color of the fruit or fingers changes to the dark green color to the pale green color. Harvesting of banana, the trunk is lopped with a sickle as well as the hatchet over halfway through the stem. The bunches will not be fall to the ground but hang on and injury is avoided. The bunch is held and its peduncle is served at 30 centimeter of the stalk must be left to make a proper handling. Then next one is a sapota. Generally fruits mature in about 240 to 270 days after the flowering, means near about 6 to 7 month, 7 to 8 month, 8 to 9 month, means according to the climate these change days required are the changes, means if the climate are the hot and humid, that time it requires the less time. In subtropical region it requires the maximum time, because of even the humidity will be increasing, that time ripening are the faster, means in normally 8 to 9 month required for the flowering to the fruit set or maturity. Other than these, fruits at maturity develops a dull orange or potato color. A mature fruit, when scratched slightly with nail, show a yellow streak instead of green stick. Means when you scratching on the fruit, that time the if the fruit are immature, that time the green streaks are clearly identified at the time of maturity. Other than green, it changes to the yellow. Okay, then brown scaly material disappear from the fruit surface at the fruit approaches at the full maturity, means when you see this fruit there is a rough surface on the fruit. Okay, at the time of maturity the fruit become the soft. Other than this, the milky latex content is reduced. If your nail is inserted on the fruit, that time the milky latex ooze out at the time of immaturity. When the fruit become mature, that time this milky latex content is reduced. Then the dried spine like style at the top of the fruit falls or drops off easily when touched, means this portion, this black portion at the basal of the fruit, this portion are the easily drop down. Harvesting of sapota, the fully matured fruit are harvested with the stalk intact individually by giving a twist or collected without bruising. BSKKV Dapoli develop a harvester, and the name of harvester is Atul Sapota harvester. Okay, then next one is the papaya. Papaya require normally 125 to 140 days for the flowering to the maturity. Other than these, color changes from the green to the pale green as well as sometimes yellowish. Portion of the fruit is exposed to the sunlight become the dark yellow in the color, means if the fruits are attached to the plant, that time those portion of the fruit are maximally exposed to the sunlight, these portion are first yellowing, then the other portion This is the signs of maturity of papaya. Other than these, the latex of the fruit become the watery instead of milky. As well as TSS at the time of harvest should be minimum 6%. Harvesting of papaya, the harvested by twisting the fruit on the dwarf trees. The operation can be done without mechanical aids. Ladders are often used to harvest the tall trees. Poles should be never be used for the harvesting, because when we use the poles, that time fruit is get badly damaged. The peduncle should be trimmed before the panicking. Then the pineapple. Pineapple maturity indices. Normally 105 to 130 days required for the maturity of pineapple. Color of lower portion of the fruit turns to the green to the yellow. Eyes on the fruit become smooth or flat, and they bulge on a side. This is the portion which is the bulge on the fruit. Okay. Other than these, eye bracts become loose and turn brown in color. This is the center portion of the fruit. The eyes bract become the brownish. Okay. Mature pineapple should have a 12% TSS, 0.5 to 6% acidity, and specific gravity of pineapple is 0.98 to 1.02. This is the signs of maturity of pineapple. Then next one is a jackfruit. Normally fruit are ripen within 180 to 270 days after the flowering. Fruit color changes from the green to the pale green color. Dull hollow sound is produced when the fruit is tapped by the fingers. This is the one signs of maturity. Dull and hollow sound. Please remind this word, dull and hollow sound. Other than these, the spinels become well developed and wide spaced, means those portion on the fruit are the rough. This is the spinels. Okay. The last leaf of the peduncles turns yellow. Aromatic odor are the developed, and the spine yield to moderate the pressure. Harvesting of jackfruit. If the fruit is within the reach, it can be cut with the help of sickle or twisted until it snaps off. In tall trees, a sack is placed on the fruit with a rope tied on the peduncle after cutting, and the fruit is gradually lower to the ground, and it is laid on its peduncle against a railing for sometimes to allow latex to flow and coagulate. This is the signs of maturity of jackfruit. Then next one is the sweet orange and mandarin orange. Both maturity indices are same, only color are the different at the time of maturity. Fruit mature in about 210 to 240 days, means 7 to 8 months is required for the maturity. Color changes to the green to the pale green or pale yellow in sweet orange, and in mandarin green to the orange color. Outer rind looks like an shiny, and one can see oil glands on the fruits. Other than this, mandarin 0.4% acidity and 12 to 14% TSS. And last one is the fruits become soft. This is the signs of maturity of sweet orange and mandarin orange. Harvesting. In India, the fruit pickers collect the fruits manually by climbing on the by using ladder when the tree is tall. Within collecting the bags on his shoulder. In USA or in America, mechanical harvesting is done particularly for processing industries. Then Kagzi line, normally 120 to 150 days required for the flowering to the maturity, and color changes to the green to the yellow. Harvesting are the same. Then next one is a grape. A mature fruit means a fruit mature in 120 to 135 days after the flowering, and near about 150 to 170 days after the pruning. Depending upon the variety, color changes from the green to yellow or golden yellow or black or pink. Actual grapes are the non-climatic. That's why fully ripe fruits are the harvested. If you harvest the mature or immature fruits, that time ripening does not takes place. Easy separation of berries indicate the maturity harvesting stage of grape. Development of characteristic flavor and aroma, and the T.S.S of different varieties of maturity indices. Anawe Shahi variety 15 to 16% TSS, Thompson seedless 18 to 20% TSS are required for the harvesting. Then the pineapple. Pineapple requires, sorry, pomegranate. Pomegranate fruit are harvested in about 150 to 170 days after the flowering to the maturity. Other than this, color changes from the green to the yellow or yellowish brown or orange color. Fruit becomes soft, ridges develop on the fruit, and the fruit become flat. This is the one size of maturity. Floral part should be dry. And last one is the pressing of fruit with the help of fingers gives cracking or metallic sound. Remind the word metallic sound or cracking sound. In jackfruit, dull sound is created. In pomegranate, metallic sound is created. The next one is a bear. Near about 125 to 150 days required for the flowering to the maturity or harvesting. Other than this, color changes from the green to the pale green, red or brownish yellow depending upon the varieties. Fruit becomes soft and the slightly depression are developed near the stalk end, same like an mango. Maturity indices as well as ridges on the fruit disappear and the fruit become soft. This is the one, also one signs of maturity of bear. Then the coconut. Coconut require near about 1 year from the flowering to maturity. Coconut usually mature in about 350 to 375 days after appearance of inflorescence. The color of the fruit changes from the green to the yellowish or brownish green. The fruit produces particular metallic sound on the thumping. All fruits in a bunch mature at the same time and uniformly. Harvesting of coconut. In India, mostly climbing on the tree are useful for the or prefer for the Harvesting. The climber often uses a small ladder. After climbing top of the ladder, he uses a rope ring around the feet for climbing the rest of the tree. On reaching the crown of the he harvest the mature nuts. In Sri Lanka, harvesting is done from ground with the help of the sharp knife attached to the long bamboo or pole. In Malaysia and in Thailand, trained monkeys are used for the harvesting, and in Africa, when the fruits are allowed to fall from the bunches. Areca nut require 180 to 200 days from the flowering to the maturity. Color changes from the green to yellowish or orange color, which we can easily identified in image. Harvesting is done by climbing the tree with the help of the ladder and rope ring around the feet. The on reaching on the top, climber harvest the mature bunch within the with the help of sharp knife or sickle. Then the another tropical crop, cashew nut, 95 to 120 days required from the flowering to the maturity. Depending upon the varieties, apple color changes from the green to yellow as well as orange, sorry, red, and nut becomes hard and ash in color. When you see the image, the the upper portion are the cashew apple and lower portion are the cashew nut. At the time of immaturity, the cashew apple are the smaller in size and cashew nut are the bigger in size. At the time of maturity, these changes are the different. The cashew apple are the larger one than the cashew nut. Then the custard apple require 120 to 100 to 120 days for the full maturity. Scale on fruit become prominent, plumpy, and well developed or well spaced, and as well as the fruit become comparatively soft. Skin between scales or segment turns creamy white. This is the signs of maturity of custard apple. Then the kokum. The fruit usually require 94 days for the maturity after the flowering. Other than this, color changes from the green to light green, red or purplish red when the ripe. Physical parameters at the time of mature stage is normally average weight of that fruit is near about 34 gram, depend on the type or depend on the varieties. Specific gravity 1 to 1.04. Chemical parameters at the mature stage like T.S.S and the total sugar. T.S.S is near about 13.68 and total sugar is near about 6.35%. Then the jamun. The seedling jamun plant starts bearing after 8 to 10 years after the planting, while grafted one starts yielding 6 to 7 years. The color changes from the green to deep purple or black or with full size. Then the Kurunda. Fruits gradually require near about 87 to 90 days to mature after the flowering. Color changes from the dark green to the light green or dark black color. Red blush develop on the fruit sometimes. And last one is the specific gravity at 1.0 to T.S.S is 13.5, total sugar 2.35%, and acidity 2.62%. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the maturity science of vegetables. Okay, thank you.